Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want to automate tasks with Zapier in 2026, here is the honest truth. No hype, no shortcuts. Hostinger Website Builder doesn't connect directly to Zapier. There is no native Zapier integration, no API access, and no webhook support inside the builder. But don't worry, there are supported indirect methods, and they will show you exactly what works and what doesn't, and when you must upgrade platforms. Okay, so first thing first, connect Hostinger forms to Zapier. Okay, so this is the most common workaround. So how it works: Hostinger forms go to email, then Zapier email trigger. Steps, for example, create a contact form in Hostinger Website Builder, sets form notifications to send emails to Zapier email parser. In Zapier, on the other hand, creates a Zap trigger new email parsed action, for example, Google Sheets, Notion, CRM, Slack, etc. So works for basically capture, not real time, not limited data structure. Okay, so this is not a true integration, but it works. Okay, so what you cannot do with Hostinger Website Builder, you cannot add Zapier webhooks, use Zapier catch hook, trigger zaps from buttons or pages, track costume event, access row form data via API. These limitations are intentional. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.